Picture this, a train that literally zigzags down the side of a mountain. 0 guardrails. The berm is like right there, like look. Just a sheer vertical drop and the train clinging desperately to the edge of a cliff. This is the Devil's Nose, Ecuador's legendary railway ride, and delivers breathtaking Andean views and an experience you'll never forget. Today, we're going to be taking you to Alausi for this wild adventure. No need to buckle up because we're going to be hanging out the window, soaking up every view as the train winds along the track. After a quick stop for lunch, we headed to Inca, the best preserved Incan archaeological site in all of Ecuador. But what was supposed to be a quick history lesson quickly turned into a totally different kind of adventure, one we didn't really see coming. In this thick brush, like look at this thick brush. With a crazy 3 a.m. start time, this trip was about to become way more unforgettable than we'd ever planned. So buckle up, or not, and let this crazy adventure begin. Hello. Hola.
So, who knew that Cuenca was so lively at 2 a.m.?
Yeah, I'd like to say that this is our very first time starting an excursion at 3 a.m., but it is not.
First time here in Cuenca.
Yes, but in Peru we did a few excursions from 3 o'clock in the morning.
3 in the morning to drive somewhere. So, yeah, just for anybody who's curious, getting a taxi at 2 a.m. is super easy.
Yeah.
I went on the Zoo Taxi app, and when I hit the get me a taxi button, he was waiting out in front of our house by the time we walked out.
Yeah.
Like, wow.
That was awesome. So we're here a little bit early, so we're just wandering around the park. Look how pretty it is.
Yes,
There's nobody.
We're headed to the tour office. That's where we have to meet to start our tour today. And where are we going?
We are taking the train. I've been wanting to say that the whole time.
Don't say it like that. Say,
we're taking the train.
We're going on the Devil's Nose train. It's supposed to be like one of the most dangerous trains in the world.
Sign me up.
Yeah, let's do it. How pretty though, look. We headed to the tour office, got our purple tour bands, and we were off to start our 15-hour adventure. We tried to get settled in the van to get a few hours sleep because before you know it, the sun would be coming up. Oh. Yeah. Stopping for a little bathroom break, but the mountains around us, holy Hannah, hey?
When that sun started coming up, it was like,
wow. You lose a lot when you're driving in the middle of the night,
It's
eh?
funny how high up we still are, like on the road. We're looking down into a lot of valleys and stuff. So
That's wild. Check this out. We're like surrounded. It's very pretty. So we're just stopping for a quick drink and then back on the road. I think we have about an hour left. And then we'll probably have some breakfast and then off to the train. Nice. Some snacks. Pretty cool. We're going on a train soon.
Going on a train.
How awesome is this though?
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I like how it looks kind of vintage.
Yeah.
The cars do. The engine doesn't.
Yeah, the engine is the gray, more modern, and then the rest of the train is red.
This is the Primera class.
It's very cool.
I don't think we're in first class. I don't know where we are.
No, I think we're back here.
Riff-raff in the back.
Yeah. I even like the train station, how it all built up. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool with the stone building.
The stone, yeah. Big stones.
It's very nice. So Alausi is where the train leaves from. And when we were coming into the little town here, it's like in a valley with mountains on either side of it. And just coming around the corner, it's like, holy crap.
It's pretty steep, yeah. Like the steep roads down in. And it's amazing how much, once you get down into the town, how lively and people everywhere and that kind of stuff. But driving by, the main roads kind of run around kind of halfway up the valley and just kind of pass by all these valley towns. You don't really go through them. So until you actually turn off the main road and turn down into them, you don't even really know what you're going by.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
To see for sure. And they're setting up for Christmas markets, and they have today is Sunday, so it looks like they're setting up for a market. They have Christmas decorations all around the little town. Super cute. We had a little bit of time to kill before we boarded the train, so we strolled around the old train cars, took some pictures, soaked in the mountain air, and wandered the quiet streets. Right off. The berm is like right there. Like, look.
Wow, look at that. That's like a little avalanche area.
That's crazy.
Wow, look at the river down there.
I know, wow.
And the track's way down there. Holy cow. I don't know how far down we go in altitude, but...
Amazing. Yeah, you can see the tracks down there.
Yeah, in the bottom of the valley.
Wow.
Look behind us. Look at that big mountain up there.
Yeah, that's pretty amazing. Wow.
All the texture in it. The people down there waving.
Wow. That's pretty cool. This is awesome. Wow. So beautiful. Wow.
You got the sun.
Massive and green,
The
right?
sun blazing at us now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at the trees on the top.
Way up there. Yeah.
Evergreens on the top.
Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Wow. Look at the mountains just keep going. Whew. So the conductor just told us that right there is the Devil's Nose. The big, massive mountain we drove by. It is so pretty. and green. It's so green. It is so cool to be in this valley. Wow.
There's the Devil's Nose.
Yeah. So there you go. So we've had our 10 minutes off the train. Everybody taking photos. What a great day we've had too, eh? Weather-wise, oh my gosh, we couldn't have asked for a better day. This is awesome. This is us, yeah? After we made a quick cultural stop, we hopped back on the train and made our way back to Alausi, and yep, the views were still amazing. We're back from the train.
We're back from the train.
That's pretty cool.
It was pretty nice.
Yeah, it was pretty cool. The old
Pretty
train.
leisurely.
Yep. Yeah, I like that. That was awesome.
I mean, I didn't expect it to be fast or anything, but
No.
yeah, it's interesting how it winds its way up the hill. It kind of does a couple of switchbacks where it shoots by, switches the rails, and then continues back the other way.
Yeah.
Alausi here is pretty happening. This is a Sunday. Well, obviously, when we went out in the train, it was early in the morning. It was pretty quiet. There wasn't anybody around. But now, there's music, there's cars everywhere, there's people everywhere. I can see tents in the distance. It looks like we got a couple different areas that are set up with tents for vendors and stuff like that. So, it's pretty happening here.
Yeah. Yeah, this train. I'm sure they take you for tours around the little town.
Yeah.
How cute is that?
All right.
A train on wheels. Not on rails.
We should go find our group, eh?
Yeah, I think we're gonna go have some lunch. So yeah, we hopped back into the bus and it was about an hour drive to get to lunch, and it was at a perfect spot. So we just stopped for lunch at El Castillo. This is our tour bus. Sits 15 people. It's with Cuenca Tours 360 again, same as we did the Chimborazo volcano. And we're doing one more tour with these guys in the new year, and I am so excited for that one. So you'll have to subscribe to find out which one that is. Right across from lunch is going to be some Incan ruins. So I'm not sure how much time we're going to spend at the Incan ruins. Hopefully we'll be able to get to walk around and check things out. Well, that's not the walking around and checking things out we had in mind. And we were sad we didn't get a chance to see the ruins because we were up to our eyeballs in brush, picky thorn bushes, and on a 45-degree embankment near a ravine. It felt like we were looking for a needle in a haystack. But after recruiting help and reviewing the footage...
We found it! Eric found it! Can you believe it? Oh my god! Woo! Oh, what?
He used the crack crash footage. He's like a detective.
Yes. Oh my God.
Use the crash footage and recognize the tree.
That is amazing. Hey. Holy Hannah,
If I'd
here.
known there was a road.
Here.
If I'd known there was a
Oh
road,
my
I'd
God.
walked it on the floor.
Oh, what a great feeling. Can you believe it? In this thick brush, like look at this thick brush and the trees.
It's a good thing it was pointed at a tree because you could recognize where it was.
Yes, oh my goodness. It was like thorny, thick brush. You know those leaves that have like all of the nettles on it that just cling to you? That's what we were walking through. But we did it.
I had no idea if we would actually find the drone or not, and can you believe it? We only needed to replace the blades. Everything else was fine. Wow. Unbelievable.
Muchos gracias. Thank you. Well, that was an unexpected end to the video. Sorry we didn't show you more of the Inca ruins, but we kind of had to go on a side quest.
We'll show you one nice aerial view of the Inca ruins.
A quick aerial view, yeah. But the train is awesome, eh?
The train was pretty cool. I'll be honest, if I look tired, it's because I am.
Yeah.
We were up pretty much all night. Like, we didn't get much sleep before we had to be there for 3 a.m. So, I mean, if you're thinking about doing one of these tours, keep in mind that you do start off driving either late at night or early morning to get to your location. So it does make for a really long day. The vans are definitely not conducive to any type of rest. Roads are really windy through the mountains and stuff. So, I mean, it's an option.
Yeah, you see a lot.
You see a lot, yeah.
Like,
it was nice
during the
today
day?
that we actually came back during the day. So usually we're driving in the dark and you don't see the mountains and that. So it was nice to come back in late afternoon and see the mountains and all the little towns and stuff like that. It's a lot to see. But it does take a lot out of you. It's a long day.
Yeah. We also did Chimborazo with the 360, Cuenca Tours 360. So if you haven't seen that video, I will leave it up on the screen as we're leaving. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, give us a like, and we'll see you in the next one.
Ciao.
Bye.